Did you know that over 70 million Americans suffer from digestive issues? From bloating and brain fog to chronic fatigue, the root cause is often sitting right in your gut. Most of us are destroying our microbiome every single day without even realizing it. Today, I'm revealing the 5 biggest gut health mistakes Americans make daily, and more importantly, how you can fix them starting today. If you want to feel energized and clear-headed again, pay close attention to number 4. 1. The hidden sugar trap. Mistake number 1. The standard American diet is loaded with hidden sugars. It's not just the donuts. It's in your bread, your salad dressings, and even your healthy yogurt. High sugar intake feeds the bad bacteria in your gut, leading to inflammation and sugar cravings. The fix: start reading labels. Look for added sugars and try to stick to whole, single-ingredient foods as much as possible. 2. Over-sanitizing everything. Mistake number 2. We are too clean. Since the pandemic, Americans have become obsessed with hand sanitizers and antibacterial soaps. While hygiene is important, over-sanitizing kills the beneficial bacteria your immune system needs to stay strong. The fix: get outside. Spend time in nature. Garden with your bare hands, and stop using harsh antibacterial soaps for every little thing. Let your good bacteria breathe. 3. The fiber gap. Mistake number 3. Not hitting your fiber goals. The average American only gets about 15 grams of fiber a day, but we need at least 25 to 30. Fiber is the fuel for your gut microbes. Without it, they literally start eating the lining of your gut. The fix: incorporate more beans, lentils, raspberries, and leafy greens. Even a small switch, like brown rice instead of white, makes a huge difference. 4. Chronic stress and fight or flight eating. This is a big one: eating while stressed. In the US, we're always on the go, eating in the car or at our desks. When you're stressed, your body is in fight or flight mode, which shuts down digestion. This leads to bloating and poor nutrient absorption. The fix: take 5 deep breaths before you eat. Make mealtime a phone-free, stress-free zone so your body can actually process what you're putting in it. 5. Ignoring fermented foods. Mistake number 5. Relying only on expensive probiotic pills. Most Americans ignore natural probiotics like kimchi, sauerkraut, or kefir. These foods provide a diverse range of live bacteria that no pill can match. The fix: add 1 serving of fermented food to your lunch or dinner every day. Your gut will thank you within a week. Your gut health is the foundation of your entire well-being. Stop making these 5 mistakes.
Stop making these common gut health mistakes. Cut down on hidden sugars and over-sanitizing. Instead, fuel your gut with Fermented.
Manage stress with deep breathing to calm the brain-gut connection. Support your digestion with fermented foods.
And you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips for your lifestyle. Comment below: which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Let's talk about it.